Are you able to see the screen of PowerPoint? Yes or no? So in this practical we are going to create a PowerPoint presentation. So how to create a PowerPoint presentation? For that purpose you have to start by clicking on the PowerPoint icon of Microsoft Office. Then a screen will be appear in this way. Click to add title, and next click to add subtitle. So we are going to create here a PowerPoint presentation regarding our college profile. Am I audible to you? Am I audible to you?
Yes, yes, sir.
Are you able to see the screen that we are sharing to you?
Yes, sir.
स्क्रीन दिसते ना सगळ्यांना मी जे दाखवतो तुम्हाला ते?
Oh, display sir screen.
Okay, so let us create a PowerPoint presentation. Cases Mulji Jetha College Jalgaon. Okay, KC Mulji Jetha College Jalgaon. Okay, so here our first slide is created with the name as KC is Mulji Jetha College Jalgaon. Okay, next click here on the slides and press enter. Next slide will be appear here. School. So in our college there are number of different schools are there. School of SCIENs and PE. So there is a School of Science and Technology. Let us add the courses of Science and Technology. BSc, BSc Computer Science, MSc, Computer, SCI, Science. So this is the slide about School of Science and Technology. Next slides we are going to create here. Click at title, School of Humanities. Add here the courses which is run by the School of Humanities: BA, MA, Mass Communication, and so on. Then come to the next slide. After clicking on this slide and press enter, next slide will be appear to work for you. Then School of Commerce and Management, School of Commerce and Management. Courses run by School of Commerce and Management is BCom, MCom, BBA, BCA, okay, and number of certificate courses are there also we can conduct in here, so no need to put them here. Then next slide, Department of Event Management. Department of Event Management. Click to add here title of the courses they have run. First is certificate course, certificate course in event management. Then second one, diploma course, diploma in event management. Okay, so here we have created these slides, okay, different slides. First case is, so let us format or design these slides by inserting some pictures. You may insert, come to the insert tab, and suppose you have any pictures, then open it. There is no pictures so far here, so photo album, if any photo will be there, then you can insert a photo here. So there is no photo with us. Okay, in and out. So there is no photo available here. Okay, so come to the design. You may design your slide by different slide layouts are available there. You may choose any one of them and design it, okay, in this way. Then animations, you may give the animation effects such as, see, for this slide, select this slide and give this effect, select this slide and select this effect, select the slide, select this effect, select the last slide and select this effect. Okay, so in this way you may select the animations. Okay, during animation you may choose the sound, different sounds are there. Transition speed you may also select the slide, in this way. Okay, automatically after how much second, 2 seconds. Okay, so in this way you may choose the animation as well as transition sounds in your slide. And let us see the slideshow. Come to the slideshow tab from beginning. Click. Okay. So in this way you may show the slideshow. You may also color it. This is normal view. This is slide sorter view. This view you have already learned in your theoretical topics, in theoretical lectures. Okay. Again come to the insert and we can also insert some movie or a picture or sound from file into your PowerPoint presentation. Clear? Any doubt? Anybody have? Yes. Slide orientation, landscape. Suppose you want to make it portrait, then you can also manage it with portrait. Colors. Come to the colors. You may choose the color. Also fonts. Choose the different fonts as per your choice. Okay. Effects. Different effects are there. And background styles. Choose the background as per your requirement. Okay. Let us see once again the slideshow from beginning. Any more? Any doubt? Clear? So in this way you may also create your business presentation for your if you have to present your product or any presentation regarding your work in your office, you may create the slideshow or PowerPoint slideshow in this way. Any doubt? We have covered all this different topics of PowerPoint in a one slideshow presentation. Insert, design, animation effects we have given, slideshows. Okay. Any doubt to you?